Because I needed you for my recital in Sonata in Shakespeare.
That's true? This is ridiculous.
Never mind. I'm getting into top.
Louder.
You're good, Harry. You sound like you're catching a bad cold.
I'm surrounded by incompetence.
Where your nose? We make the fool of himself, we'll be in trouble. But again, only word. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, in direction of Shore of Bridge, New East of Bubblehead, this represents the Mania in Shakespeare.
I'm supposed to look Elizabeth.
I think it is a fairly specialized better than you do.
One cried, God bless us, and amen. The other, as they saw me with these hangman hands.
What hangman? What?
Myself.
Did you?
Stop it!
I need to get name in.
Isn't it cute? Actually, teddy bear is cute.
Really? What?
Did you have a cold? I do not have a cold. I have a chill.
Well, if that's just in Egypt more.
Stop. What are you doing? I'm not sick. Stop it!
Nile just a river in Egypt.
No, got all the symptoms of a terrible cold. I want you to take some aspirin and lie down. I don't know what you're talking about. You're crazy. Calm down, Walt. You want to get better, do you? See me in 2 weeks. For a week? I'll be playing golf. I feel a little tired. I should lie down.
I think this is a bad show, don't you, audience? I just got hold of attention. Chapeau, stand up!
Yes?
You know a good going home song.
I think I know one.
Hey, you! I told you, have you seen Sansari? I don't know what he is. He's he's a furry little guy with a black hat. You know, he's the same color coffee as when you leave the thing in the Paul day. And heat up in the microwave, then put in the milk. It's not a yellowy chance more of a gray shed. I prefer to be thought of as beige. Oh my gosh. Bless you, you sound like you have a cold. But I got to tell you my show. That show is ridiculous. That's my performance tonight in Shakespeare. You mean that show? It's ridiculous. What's smashing? It's yes, it's me, Ward Zero. Filling out the prophecies of William Shakespeare. Tragedy, comedy, suspense, wrong life, and... So sorry? Where'd he go? Right here. Oh my gosh. Bless you. Where are you? I was born so I get attacked. Authority! I'm an orange. Lemon seal, get rid of your cold. I can't get the costume. There's your jersey. Capiche? Bless you. You should do something about the cold. Ah! Look at your nose. If he does this, he'll make a fool of himself. Now you gotta only learn. Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, what is this woman's words? Was there performing Schnall and Shakespeare? Read, Dalton John. Quiet! I'm supposed to go to the bathroom. Listen, tell everybody it's just way better than you do. Oh, that is true. When Del Farmer is all into a do. A what? I do. A what? I do. Bless you. Stop it! You should do something about that cold. Those dewdrops are harder than the life jackets at Noah's Ark. I think I need to get metered. Isn't he cute? Actually, a teddy bear is cute. Since he's a festering sore. Hello there, Mark. Since says you have that cold. I'm not have a cold, I'm not sick. I think about it, examine. You're like, your throat is all red and swollen. Red and swollen? Your face is a little hot and sweaty. I tell you, I feel fine. I'm not sick. I feel fine. Mark, you're very sick. You have all the symptoms of a terrible cold. I order you to bed with a cold hot tea for at least a week. A week? I don't just say one word. You might damage your throat. Find out. No talking. Want to get better? Take your last and call your health insurance company in the morning. My health insurance company? I'll be playing golf. I feel tired. Maybe I should lie down. Ladies and gentlemen, the total old age is worse lobbies and lawyers. In the words of the water salt, empty shower offended, all things are made and fireblade offensive. It's all Morris's fault. You want some real entertainment? Yeah! I'll get Ted to entertain you. My able assistant, Farley. My name is Parsley. Right. Today is the beer result 2007. Basically, it's the beer result 2007. And Dr. Maynard, simple, it's a time machine. Time machine, isn't going to the past dangerous? You might have changed things that affect the history of the world. Why waste time going to the past? Why can't you go to the future? Or, is it true? Yes, cilantro. I find out where our greatest untapped resources will be. I find where needs will be and what we're doing in the future. And bet on that World Series. Nonsense, wheatgrass. This is for the sake of science. Now I will go into the future. Or cilantro. I'm not going to use anything about cilantro. Close operation and throw the switch. 10-9 why bother. Dr. Maynard, are you alright? I see a new future for Swarthmore. What's that? Roads go up and down, left and right. And the bugs are very confusing. Wow. The trains are run time. So the future is a passive society. The case of democracy always this low as their SEPTA. Wait a minute, that sounds like Swarthmore is like, no, you didn't go into the future at all. But anyway, 8 seconds in the future. Or oregano. Next time you want to create a revolutionary device, once you bet something else, you got my name right. I'm Ted Harris Puppet, and this is my puppet Parsley. Hello. Parsley, I want to talk to you about your report card. Uh-oh, I'm dead. I used to be games when you had report cards. Oh, it was easy. Well, let's talk about geography. What's the shape of the world? Sure, it's a mass. Well, let's talk about math. What's 5 and 5? Let's see. 5, can't find, no, what's that? You can't make it 1 and 1, could you? You don't know what 5 and 5 is? No. It's simple. 5 and 5 is 10. Oh, 5 and 5 is 10, 10 what? Oh, 10 anything. 10 apples, 10 oranges, 10 grapes. Oh, then we got fruit salad. This is 12 our residents, sincerity, and Ward Zero. How are you? What do you think of your game shows? Or quite amazing. Well, I'm a creature principal. Does this to make a fool of himself. They don't know what he learned. Don't do jokes for ordering the life jackets of Noah's Ark. Well, this is embarrassing. The show must go on. See the with the Titanic? I can't believe my ears. I can't believe me either. I have one more to show you. Yes, Reese. Hello, and it's an honor to be here as the host of this talent show. Look, we're before the show. Oh, are we? See, is that David Hasselhoff? Is that Mr. Cannon? Oh, is that Brandy? Is that Simon Cowell? I returns Wales. Is that Randy Jackson? I heard he's a truck driver. You know how it is. We're on America's Got Talent, or American Idol. Oh, then here's your thing. My body lies over the ocean. My body. Sorry. No, wait, I can do this. Rolly. I think it's time to go. No, wait, I can do this. Rolly. Say bye, Bernice. Bye, Bernice. And we are available for picnics, lobbies, children's parties, and all occasions. And we hope to see you many years to come. Thank you.